Hello, my name is Pranav. I'm an employee here at Wire2Air, and today I'll be showing you how to send mass and individual text messages from contacts and lead pages. So I have on my right a test phone that will show when I receive the text messages and how long it takes, and you'll see that it works. On the left side I have the Messenger home page open. From here you can open the contacts page or leads page, whichever one. They both have the same layout, so for now I'm going to go through contacts, but it's the same steps doing it for leads. So once you're in the contacts page, select the contact you'd like to send an SMS to. So I'm going to click on test phone, click on send text, enter your text message. I will just say hello, and you can schedule it. The sender ID, I have two, so I'm just going to keep it for this. And if you have a template, you can choose it here. If you have a photo or any other MMS file, you can keep it in. You can send it in here, and you can change the mobile number, the contact that you're sending it to. You can add more contacts, remove contacts. So finally, I'm going to send the text message. So in a little bit, this phone will receive a text message. And there you go. It's the same sender ID, and it works within a few seconds. Finally, if I go back to the contacts page, I can send a mass text by selecting 3 or more contacts. Sorry, you have to make sure you're in the correct view, and then I can select as many contacts as I want to, and then send mass text message. From here I can enter a text message that I want to, choose a template. Because these are contacts, only contact templates will be available. Here you can see I have all the contacts that I'll be sending it to. You can remove them, add more. This has been how to send mass or individual text messages from contacts and lead pages. Thank you.